Welcome back, everybody. My name is Sergey, for those of you who know. Today we're talking about a project we did in New York, which is at 666 West End Avenue in Manhattan. This building was built back in the 1920s, pre-war, and the entire facade is a stone-clad and terracotta accented building. Over the course of the years, all the terracotta started to fail, which, believe it or not, is pretty normal for terracotta. So the general contractor, whom we have done dozens of jobs around Manhattan, Brooklyn, basically all of New York, his name is Nazmo. He reached out to us and he wanted us to fabricate coins. There were cornice accents, window panels, trim bands all over the building. They wanted the same look as the original terracotta, but in better material. So you've seen previous videos of us discussing the light cast product, which is a glass fiber reinforced concrete with EPS foam backing. So on this building, we had two different materials we used. We used that light cast for all of the coins, the accent pieces, etc. But they also had these massive, and when I say massive, I'm talking, it was like 80-foot wide faux balconies that were not accessible, but they still projected almost 2.5 to 3 feet out. That was all in terracotta and precast concrete that was attached to the building, and they were in really poor shape. Over the course of the years, a lot of the railings that were up there have failed, and they replaced them with really horrible looking wrought iron metal railing. So they had reached out to us, and of course this had to go through the whole landmark LPC approvals, etc. We're going to show you some videos and pictures of before and all of the pieces that we had to replicate. Then we're going to show you our submittal process. We're going to show you guys the on-site 3D scanning that we had to do because, again, this is a landmark building, so we had to replicate it 100%. We fabricated all the coins, the accent pieces, as I stated, in light cast, but the balconies really were an issue, and we came up with an awesome idea. We did framing in lightweight aluminum that was then attached to the building, and the entire structure, the entire balcony, we manufactured in our fiberglass. So the balcony flooring, the underside, the corbels, the railings, everything was manufactured in FRP, which is extremely lightweight. And at the end of the video, you're going to see a nice drone shot of the finished project. And we are so excited because this is the third building that we've done this on, and it just keeps on getting bigger and better. And architects love this because they don't have to come up with a way to engineer the attachment of these faux balconies because there's no weight. It's so lightweight, it literally just slaps onto the surface. So take a look and let us know what you think.